This is the AOPTICS Insight, our 2-meter iris recognition system. Intuitive, visually interactive, nothing complicated. The system brings a unique combination of high throughput, ease of use, and because it's iris recognition, superior matching accuracy. The Insight separates itself from all other biometric solutions. Working at a nominal distance of 2 meters, the system is truly hygienic, non-invasive, and supportive of high flow rate environments. Its extremely large capture zone, automated image capture process, and repeatable pristine image quality make it desirable for high throughput, high volume operations. Best of all, Insight users simply need to follow 3 simple instructions. Stand at the position marks. Look at the system. Open your eyes. The Insight's intelligent find the face, find the eye closed-loop control process takes over, capturing remarkably high-quality biometric samples in about 2 seconds. It's the only system with patented adaptive optics. That's the technology that does all of the work, so subjects don't. The simple instruction set is complemented by a series of powerful image quality metrics that provide intuitive user feedback if capture conditions were less than ideal. The easy-to-read graphic display clearly illuminates what to do each time. For border security, enrollment, or other applications, it means high traveler throughput, fewer complications due to language barriers, and more consistent biometric capture practices. In secure facilities, this means fewer employee hassles, less burden on operational staff, and consequently, the ability to rely more heavily on strong authentication. The AOPTICS Insight iris recognition system finally delivers on the promise of biometrics. Consistent, conclusive authentication without a time-consuming hassle. Contact us to schedule a demonstration. It's your time to take a look at iris recognition with AOPTICS Technologies.